Napanood nyo ba yung kay Maris na hiwalayan nila na kanyang boyfriend? So, panoorin mo na yung saglit.
Wala akong short answer
yung
for it.
Emotional na pag-anunsyo niya talaga ba? Oh my God. Yung pinipilit mong ngumiti.
Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter. The 5 years namin together. But I don't know what happened to me. Saw a new perspective sa life. Visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yun, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable. I told Rico about it. I told him my problems, my issues sa buhay. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk because I love him so much. And he loves me, but I have so many questions about my life. And how will I go on sa buhay with him when I have so many questions about me, my sense of self? It was so difficult, but it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of our relationship, it was still full of love.
Pinipilit mong ngumiti sa harap ng mga tao, na pinipilit mong pagtakpan ang sakit na naramdaman mo, pero hindi talaga lalabas at lalabas talaga yun. So, naintindihan ko talaga yung feelings ni Maris, no? Siyempre tayong mga babae kasi, mostly talaga sa atin talaga babae, lagi ang sobrang nasasaktan, no? Sa mga ganyang bagay. Well, na-feel ko kasi yung minsan yung sinasabi niya na 2 weeks talaga siya na feel lonely siya, loneliness. Alam sa lahat, naramdaman mo kasi siyempre na nalolonely ka na, nasasad ka na, samot-sari na yung feelings niyo kasi normal yan eh. Nagmahal ka lang talaga. Pero ika nga, darating talaga sa punto na siguro, hindi talaga na mag-work ang relationship. Which is good, hindi naman, at least wala siyang sinasabing masama sa kanyang ex-boyfriend ngayon. At saka professional naman yung kanilang yung mutual naman ang kanilang ang tawag dito, hiwalayan. Kaya support na lang natin siya kasi one day makaka-move on din yan sila pareho. Pero ika nga, mahirap yung ganong desisyon kasi lalo na kung ang lalaki ay nag-let go or something like that, masakit din sa part ng lalaki yun. Naintindihin talaga ang mga bagay-bagay para sa kanya. Pero ika nga, ganun talaga pag mahal mo ang isang tao, handa ka magparaya. Mahal mo isang tao, handa kang hayaan mo muna siya kung anong plano niya sa buhay niya. 'Di ba? Totoo yun. Kaya, good job din sa iyo, Maris. At saka sa kanyang boyfriend, no? Kasi syempre, at least, walang samaan ng loob ba? No? Ganun dapat kasi pag naghiwalay, hindi naman kailangan magsisiraan. Yun lang, for the next video.